Trius Federal Credit Union has upgraded to a new mobile banking app. You will need to re-enroll to access your information. Before you start, have your account number handy as well as your Social Security number and date of birth. You may re-enroll using either the mobile app or online site. Once complete, you will use the same credentials to access your information from either the mobile app or online site. These instructions are for the mobile app. Step 1. Uninstall or delete the existing Trius app from your phone or device. The app is available for smartphones and other mobile devices. The new mobile icon will look like this. You can find the new app in the App Store or Google Play. Simply search Trius Federal Credit Union. Once located, install the new app. Step 2. Select the icon from your home screen. Next, click Enroll. If you have already enrolled using the online site, you will simply click the Login to My Account button and continue by entering your new username and password. If not, here is where you will start your re-enrollment process. Click Enroll. Step 3. You will be prompted to enter your account number in the box. Next, enter your Social Security number in the next box and then enter your date of birth. Then click Next. Step 4. On the next screen, you will be prompted to select a username. Please follow these specifications. First, it must be at least 6 characters in length. Next, it must include at least 1 alphabetic character, 1 number, and no special characters. Now, you must select a password. Follow these specifications. The password must be at least 8 characters long. It must include at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. And it must not be the same as your username. Next, retype your password to confirm it matches. Now check the box next to the I agree to the terms and conditions. Then check the box next to the Yes, I would like to enroll in e-statements and e-notices if you prefer. Click Enroll. You will receive a confirmation message once you have successfully re-enrolled in mobile banking. Click Next. Step 5. For your security, a verification code will be emailed to the email address that we have on file for you. If you do not receive the verification code or no longer have access to the email that we have on file, you must contact the credit union to update your information. Click Get Code. A message will appear that shows the first and last letter of your email and the name of the email provider. This is the email address that the code has been sent to. You must go to that email account and open the email. The email will be from info@triusfcu.com with the subject line Trius Federal Credit Union Verification. If you need the code again, you can select the Resend Code button. Enter the code and click Next. An authorization message will appear, then click OK. Once you are enrolled, you can change the verification to a text message. Click on the person icon in the top left of the dashboard screen, then update your profile phone number. Step 6. Once you click OK, you will be taken to a dashboard that summarizes your account information. Now you are all set and ready to use mobile banking. You will use the same credentials you just created to log into online banking as well. Take a few minutes to discover all the new features of mobile banking. As an example, click on More and go to App Settings. Here you can enable Face ID, Touch ID, and 6-digit PIN ID, depending on the functionality of your phone or device. We hope you enjoy using the new mobile app, and thank you for being a Trius Federal Credit Union member.